how to get Midjourney subscription. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to talk about Midjourney. And as you can see right now, I am currently in a private server with a Midjourney bot. And when I try to ask Midjourney to create an image for me, this is the message that I will receive. As you can see, it's telling me that my free trial has come to an end. So it's going to tell me that I need to subscribe to their plan before I could access Midjourney once again. So as you can see here, there are two steps. You could either type in subscribe, just like that, or you would be able to find plans over here by clicking on this link over here. We're going to go with this option over here that we have. We're going to copy this and we're going to type this in just like that, and you're going to click on enter. And as you can see, it's going to send us a personal link, and you're simply going to click this and you're going to click on yep, and you would be redirected to the plan section where you could buy subscription for your Midjourney bot and Discord. As you can see here, we have basic plan, standard plan, and pro plan. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.